faves! Let's make Poundo Yam the stress-free way using the LG Neochef Microwave oven in very simple steps. Let me show you how to do it. To begin, we're going to add our Poundo Yam. We're going to add it into a bowl like this one. Add some water. So I'll cover this and then move to the LG Neochef Microwave. Set the timer to 8 minutes. $100. If you love what you just watched and also think you can do it too, join the LG Insider community for a chance to review one of the LG Neochef Microwave. Follow the link in my bio and join.